Hello again everyone, and welcome to another Vanners collaboration group video. We are a group of like-minded motorhomers and caravanners who get together each month to bring you a playlist of videos on a selected subject. And this month the subject is what we do with our motorhome over winter. So after you've finished watching this video, don't forget to watch the videos from the other contributors in the group, and there'll be a link to the playlist in the description of this video and on the end screen, which comes at the end. So what do we do with our van over the winter? Well, the short answer is that we keep using it. In the past, it's often been referred to that there's a sort of caravan and motorhoming season. And traditionally that ran from sort of March time through to October, and a lot of sites do still close outside of that time. But more and more these days, the idea of a season is slowly disappearing, and people are using their vans all year round. Now, if you don't want to, you don't have to, of course. There's nothing wrong with laying your van up for the winter. And we certainly use ours a little bit more in the summer, a little bit less in the winter. But it is still nice to get away during the colder weather. Now, we are very lucky, of course, to have a nice modern van. And our van has an inboard water tank. So there's much less risk of the water freezing in the coldest weather. Our waste tank is underslung and not heated. You can get little heaters to put in your waste tank, but we've never found it necessary. We've been away when the temperatures have been well below freezing actually, but we've never had an issue with the waste tank or waste pipes freezing up. And of course the modern motorhome heating systems are so fantastically good. We've got a lovely blown warm air heating system in our van, and you can lounge around quite comfortably in your normal clothing, whatever is going on outside. The main difficulty that we come across really is ground conditions and soft ground, getting stuck, that sort of thing. And we do tend to opt more for the hard standing pitches over the winter months. One of the benefits of going away in the winter that I find is that you do get more time. The evenings draw in, and maybe you've gone for a nice bracing country walk, and you're going back to the van, and it's nice and warm with the heating on, the darkness falls, and you've got a long evening to do things that you might not really get the chance to do at home, because there's always something else to do, some little job or task or something. So you can sit and read a book, you can play games, catch up with some sort of crafty sort of hobbies. Nikki often does knitting and stuff like that. And yeah, you can properly chill out, I find, in the winter, whereas in the summertime you want to make the most of being outside and doing stuff. So there you go, that's how we use our van during the winter. There's a couple of little maintenance differences. We're a lot more thorough in draining everything down between trips. You've got to watch out for frosts and freezing and stuff. Battery maintenance is a thing, but we tend to be away so much that we don't worry about that really. And yeah, let us know in the comments below if you take your van away in the winter, and the things that you enjoy and perhaps don't enjoy so much about it. And we'll see you again very soon in our next video.